AI has a ton of great uses, but what are ways you can actually use AI in your real life? Not everyone is some giant corporation in need of using some crazy AI data gathering, and some people don't even know what AI can do. So today I'm going to go over 3 simple ways that you can use AI in your life. The first huge way that many people use AI daily is with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is often confused as only being a work helper, but it can actually do anything from suggesting what you should wear that day to what you can cook with what you have in the kitchen, and even more practical applications like checking the weather. The second equally insane way that we are able to use AI is through tools like Wolfram Alpha or Grammarly, where machine learning is used to take what we write or solve and make corrections on it, make it sound more professional, and improve our work altogether. This is definitely one for some students. Finally, some of the best creative applications are with tools like Runway ML, DALL-E, and even some sound, music, and art generating AI. Often these tools come under criticism for harming creativity-based communities. However, these tools still have a long way to go, and even at that, many will never be real human talent, but can still be extremely effective tools. Even this video of me that you're seeing right now is made in part using several video editing AI tools. Anyway, that's 3 real AI applications, and thanks to AI Camp for making this video possible. Go check out their Learning Camp website in the description and comments down below.